Hello guys, welcome to SK Legal Vlogs. Today in this video we are going to discuss the meaning of professional ethics and its nature and scope. Basically, the meaning of professional ethics says that professional ethics is a code of conduct, written or unwritten, for regulating the behavior of a practicing lawyer towards himself, his client, his adversary in law, and towards the court. Thus, ethics of legal profession means the body of the rules and practice which determine the professional conduct of the members of the bar. When a person becomes an advocate, his relation with men in general is governed by the general rules of law, but his conduct as an advocate is governed by the special rules of professional ethics of the bar. The main object of the ethics of the legal profession is to maintain the dignity of the legal profession and the friendly relation between the bench and bar. What is the nature of professional ethics? Legal profession is not a business, but it is a noble profession. The nobility of the legal profession is maintained by the adherence and observance of a set of professional norms by those who adopt this profession. It is known as legal ethics or the ethics of the legal profession. The fundamental of the legal ethics is to maintain the honor and dignity of the legal profession, and consequently the essence of the profession lies in the following three things. Or first is organization of its members for the performance of their function. Second one is maintenance of certain standards, intellectual and ethical, for the dignity of the profession. And the third is subordination of pecuniary gains to efficient service. It is to be noted that the codification of the canons of the professional ethics may give impression that the code is exhaustive, while in reality it cannot be exhaustive. It is also to be noted that in India, the exhaustive code of conduct for lawyers has not been provided by the Bar Council of India, and in the exercise of its rule making powers under Section 49 1C of the Advocates Act 1961. It is important to note as to what is the need of the Code of Professional Ethics. The American Bar Association Committee has well explained the need of the Code of Legal Ethics. It has observed that the legal profession is necessarily the keystone of the arc of the government, and if it is weakened by allowing it to be increasing for subject to the corroding and demoralizing influence of those who are controlled by the craft, greed and gain or other unworthy motive, sooner or later the arch must fall. Next is explaining the advantages of the legal ethics. Learned C.L. Anand has stated that advocate being a public functionary, anyone taking to practice at the bar should have a correct knowledge of privileges as well as of the ethical obligation of the members of his profession. He should be able to distinguish between right and wrong in the matter of professional conduct without difficulty or hesitation. This is necessary for the satisfaction of his own conscientiousness and for the honor and good name of the profession, for the protection of the client and other concerned in litigation, and for the welfare of the general public. So, friends, this is the general concept and meaning of the professional ethics, as to it is the one of the concept of LLB students. Thanks for watching this video.